How do restoration companies assess damage to a home?
Restoration companies assess damage to a home by getting one of their certified project managers on site. The best way for everybody in this situation is to get a certified project manager out there to do an evaluation of the affected areas, document all those issues, and develop a detailed scope of work to restore the property to its pre-loss condition. In this process, it will ensure that every aspect of that damage, structural and cosmetic, and even environmental, is addressed properly and efficiently.